Hey Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's video is going to be a quick install video. This unit was so fast and easy to work with. Like, oh my god, it was a dream. This hair is from Hairsmarket. This is not my first time working with this company. I really love their wigs. I get really quality units from this company, okay? So we're gonna get into the unboxing, and then I will get into the styling portion, and then I'll come back and let you know my first thoughts. So today's wig review will be on this unit that I got from Hairsmarket. The unit came inside of this pretty light pink, baby pink satchel. And there's a look at the unit. It is a 5x5 HD glueless lace closure wig. The texture is water wave and it is 28 inches. Inside of the cap, this is what it looks like. It has 3 combs and of course adjustable straps. Here's a closer look at the hairline. Inside you also get a nude wig cap, a pair of faux lashes, and a hair bonnet. Okay, so here is a look at the unit after it was washed and conditioned, and as you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous still. After adjusting the straps, I put it on my head, and as you can see, it fit perfect. I didn't even need to use any spray. During the wash, I did go in and already part my part, okay? I did my part off camera, and I also separated the baby hairs. Now I'm just cutting a lace. I could have did this off camera as well. Yeah, and though not needed, I wanted to lay the lace on the closure down, so I did go in and use the Even Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray in the gold bottle. I didn't need to, but yeah. So then I kind of like just pushed it down a little bit with the tail comb, and I separated my baby hairs again, and then I went in and cut the baby hairs. Also adjusted where the wig was on my head because I felt like it was like a little too far back. After I cut the baby hairs, I used some edge control. And I just added a little bit. I've been liking to use edge control lately. It's a better hold and it's less messy because that's what it's made for, your edges. So yeah, now I'm just molding them using my comb. I did start out with like a edge brush, but then I was like, nah, let me just use the comb because it came out much better. And that is pretty much it. So then I took the makeup brush that I had and I added my face powder to the lace to make it blend more with my complexion, and that was literally all I did for this install. It was so quick and easy. Like, I'm so in love. This is definitely going to be my throw on and go unit this whole entire summer. So I am completely done. So let's do some different angles so that you can see this beautiful, magnificent water wave hair, because girl, it was given everything. It is long, it is thick, it is defined, it is just everything I need in a curly unit, okay? 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm back and this is my finished look. I absolutely love it. I'm very picky about what units that are curly that I put a middle part in, because to me every hair does not look right with the middle part. And for me, I like long hair with the middle part if it's going to be curly, and it has to have like some type of wave pattern. So I love this hair for that. This is water wave. I haven't had water wave in probably years, so I was really excited to get this hair. It is from Hairsmarket. This is their 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It is water wave. It is 28 inches, and for me, I am thinking this is maybe like 200% density because it is thick. This is all of the hair to the front, but as you can see, it is thick. It is a little fluffy and it is long. Okay, she comes down to the middle of my butt, and I just think she is so pretty. Look how long it is in the front. It looks so good. love this hair. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this unit. I'm gonna be throwing this on in the summertime. Like this unit is gonna be my summertime unit. I can already tell. Like, I love a good middle part, something you don't have to do too much to. So this is hair you could just wet it and go. As far as products, like, I literally just washed it and conditioned it when I got the hair. I have no products left in this hair. This is just how it looked after it air dried. It does get a little fluffy, and it is humid. It's like 76 degrees today in New York. It is humid, so you can see it has a little bit of fluffiness to it. So if you want to make it a little bit more defined, I would definitely suggest that you add some type of curly hair product. Other than that, like, this is what you're gonna get, and I think it looks beautiful. It looks so natural and beautiful. Easiest hair I've worked with in a long time. It doesn't feel like it's gonna tangle. It doesn't. It's just like a loose wave. It's a looser wave back here, so it doesn't feel like it's going to tangle. But I could definitely let y'all know in the bottom bar what happens by the end of the day. The shedding is extremely minimal. I did not notice any shedding whatsoever when I was washing and conditioning the hair, which is great. I used Hello Hydration shampoo and conditioner on this hair, and that's pretty much it. If I had to give this hair a rating, I would give it a 10 out of 10. When I tell you this is my summertime hair, I mean it. I still like to wear my long units, my long thick units in the summertime, and this is gonna be perfect because I could wear it just like this. I could put water on it and I will feel cool, and I could even put like a headband and get it out of my face if I don't want it to like fall like this. But for the most part, I love units like this for the summertime. That's just my personal preference. I know people like shorter units, but I still wear my long units. Like, it's me, okay? I'm too busy looking cool to be hot. Okay, but yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll have the links to Hairsmarket, direct link to this hair, as well as any other information that you need will be down in the bottom bar. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will speak in my next video. Bye, y'all.